Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the input function in 1 minute. So in Python we can ask the user to type something using the input function. So this is the input function. Whether the user types whatever the user types in is stored as a string, even if it looks like a number. So let's look at a simple example that asks for age and name of the user. So first we are asking the okay, what is your name? So when I run the code, it says what is your name. I write down Reza, for example. Then here again we are using the input function. It says how old are you? I enter 33. And after that, we use the print function to print the values that are stored in the name and age variable. And we see that here it says what is your name is shown in the output, and Reza that I entered is there. How old are you? 33. So hello Reza, you are 33 years old. Thank you for watching.